Samsung has officially pulled the curtain back on its latest and greatest mobile chip, the Exynos 2500, and it's bringing some serious firepower. After months of rumors, leaks and endless speculation, Samsung has finally made the Exynos 2500 official as the company's first smartphone processor built using their brand new 3nm GAA process. That might sound technical, but here's why it matters. This manufacturing process makes the chip smaller, faster, more efficient, and a whole lot more capable than its predecessors. Under the hood, this thing packs a 10-core CPU, headlined by a powerful Cortex-X5 core clocked at 3.3 GHz, surrounded by high-efficiency cores that help stretch battery life without slowing things down. On the graphics side, it sports the Xclipse 950 GPU, powered by AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, and supports new features like ray tracing. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Reports coming out of South Korea are pointing to a huge change in strategy for Samsung's upcoming foldables. For years, Samsung has relied on Qualcomm Snapdragon chips to power all of its premium foldable devices, but things are about to change, starting with the upcoming Flip 7. According to the report, Samsung themselves has confirmed that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be powered entirely by the Exynos 2500 across all markets. No regional Snapdragon variants, no split strategy, just Exynos everywhere. You may be wondering why the sudden change. Well, Samsung wants tighter integration between its hardware and software, and by using its own chip, it can better optimize performance, battery life, and overall user experience down to the smallest detail. Plus, let's be honest, Snapdragon chips are pricey, and going Exynos helps Samsung cut some of those costs. Furthermore, there's also a bigger strategy at play here. Samsung seems determined to reduce its dependence on Qualcomm and establish more control over its own chip ecosystem, something Apple has already mastered. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is about to become the first foldable to test this new strategy in the wild, and depending on how it plays out, it might just reshape the future of Samsung's smartphone business. That said, for all the latest news regarding the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, then consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.